Some residents of Hummingbird Meadows housing scheme in Clarendon say their lives are miserable because they have to do without water for weeks at a time. They're urging the authorities to intervene. Dwayne Anderson has their story.
Home ownership should have been a dream come true for residents of Hummingbird Meadows in Clarendon, but instead it has turned into a nightmare.
We were sugar-coated. We were just given the best stories of how we were sold a dream. You're getting your home, you're excited. You come here and you know that you're going to have certain expectations.
The residents do not have a reliable supply of water. They told us in some instances they get no water for 3 weeks, and when the pipes finally work, the water supply lasts for an hour.
Ever since Hurricane Melissa, the water schedule has changed drastically. When I say drastically, I mean like from 10, it dropped to 1. We used to have a water schedule where the water comes on Friday evening and then it goes off Wednesday evening. Ever since Melissa, the water forward Saturday. And by the time I should start to full the drum, the water lock off back. It happened even recent, this Saturday past. I started fulling the drum. Within an hour time, the water gone. And up till now, there's no water running in the house.
For one resident, the situation is especially frustrating. Captain, as she's known, initially got a house with piped water, but the house also had water seeping inside from underground due to its proximity to a spring. She was subsequently relocated to another house in the scheme. This one had no running water. From too much and unwanted water to no water at all.
After moving in, I realized I couldn't get any water for a very long time. I reached out to NWC. I was now advised that based on my location, I'm not qualified to have running water. And because of that, I should now go back to the office and request to have a permanent disconnection done because they would not be able to give me water even though the inspection was done, it was approved.
We were in the community this week when a water truck rolled in to deliver the commodity to residents. But residents' bank accounts are still leaking money as the trucks sent by the authorities are not reliable.
Every time I buy water, it's either, depending on the truck that you call, it's either $4,500 or $5,000, depending on which truck you get or which one have water available. So it means that if you're going to be buying water every week, then that will amount to about $20,000 per month.
So when the trucks are down or if the truck is elsewhere, we'll have to now buy water. Now for persons who have, for example, the 800 gallon, you're going to spend $6,500, sometimes even more. Some of the times you're buying water, you're not even sure where the water is coming from because we're desperate for water. As soon as we see a truck come, we'll just jump and buy the water because we're really out of water. We just sometimes need to have a shower.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.